everyone, I'm Ling. I'm an internship student from China and I'm now working at mechanical engineering. Once I tell my mom that I work on some building designs and a thermal analysis, she was like, okay. And then I told her that I found I can cut the electricity bill in half, and she was like, whoa, what's that? What is mechanical engineering? Tell me more about it. You guys are lucky because I'm going to show you how to make it. So the topic is the potential energy saving from passive solar design in Edmonton. First, I'm talking about what is passive solar design. Second, how does it help save energy? Third, my current research. And finally, the conclusion. Okay, according to the Government of Canada, the space heating consumption can account for over 60% of the residential energy in 2019. With the greenhouse emission continue to rise and our demand for energy continue to grow, it is very urgent now to cut down our energy consumption. One of the most promising low energy design strategies is the passive solar design. It can be defined as purposeful construction of building envelope to collect, store, reflect, distribute solar energy in the form of heat in the winter, and reject the solar heat in the summer. To translate it into human language is, let the sun heat up our home. Based on the movement of the sun, we can see that the sun's angle are very low during the winter time and very high during the summertime. We will have this special typical window, or we call it glazing system, on the south facade of the building. It allows the sun enter the house and also shield the sunlight by roof and overhangs during the summertime. Once the radiant enter the house, the heat will be absorbed and captured by the thermal mass, like the carpet floor. And the heat will retain in the thermal mass. As the outdoor temperature goes down, the heat will be released by the thermal mass. This is the principle of passive solar design. I choose the glazing system as a research object. Then I based on the single detached dwelling model as my research model. Then I use the SketchUp, OpenStudio, and Energy Plus. That's these three softwares to simulate the model. Then I come up with some data and I analyze it and come up with some plot and the results. To sum up, this study assessed the potential energy savings from different WWR for the single detached dwelling model under Edmonton's weather data. The results not only verifies some of the conclusions of the previous study, but also expands the application scope of the passive solar design. And finally, I want to thank to my host professor, Le Xuanzhong, also Dr. You Wu. Thank you guys.